Well, the main problems in terms of global health relate to many factors, but many of them, of course, are the inadequacy of public health systems. I volunteered several times as a physician working in a low-income country. It is one thing to say we need more research. It's another to say we need clean water. We need public health systems that actually provide access to health care for people who need it. So it's not enough to do more research, although for me as a researcher, that's the part I'm most focused on. We have to have this complex shared commitment within country and across the world to provide people with the access to clean water, to adequate nutrition, and to health care when they need it. That's a complicated mix. I think, though, compared to where we were 10 or 15 years ago, the commitment to a better outcome through the Millennium Development Goals and many other means is really something that most people have at least philosophically agreed to. The challenge is to take that philosophical agreement and turn it into reality. The M8 is coming into being here as an opportunity to pull together these kinds of conversations, to be sure that we understand each other. The goal here is not just to talk, though. It's to have actionable outcomes. And that's a very important task for this week's World Health Summit.